Apple has postponed the presentation of the new iPhone because of the coronavirus. Apple has postponed the upcoming presentation of its new iPhone SE2 in March amid the spread of coronavirus infection. So far, the company has not announced a new date for the event. This decision was made due to the fact that authorities in the U.S. district of Santa Clara, where Apple's headquarters are located, banned mass gatherings of people because of the growing danger of COVID-19. It is expected that the presentation of the iPhone SE2 will be held in June this year. In addition, the company intends to postpone the launch of the iPhone 12 from September to October. Delays and drop in sales: how coronavirus will hit Apple. Apple, whose main production is located in China, could lose up to 10% of iPhone shipments due to coronavirus, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo said. Is it worth waiting for the shortage of new Apple gadgets in Russia? And what will happen to the previously announced budget smartphone, in the material? The coronavirus epidemic has disrupted the usual way of life throughout the world. This is most noticeable in China, where the spread of the disease began. Not only schools and shops are closed there, but also entire cities. Business also suffers from the new virus. For example, at the American electronics manufacturer Apple, almost all production is located in China, where several contractors immediately produce components for the iPhone, and then assemble the gadgets together.